Oh, I forget that I have to do my holiday homework also. I have to write a paragraph comparing the place I have lived and any foreign country. I have never been to other country. What to do? Let me go to ask Archana Mishra ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I need your help to do my holiday homework.
Yes, what is that?
Ma'am, I have to write a paragraph comparing the place I live and any foreign country.
Okay. So you have to write a paragraph comparing our country and other country. Okay. Okay. For this, I think other students also have this problem. So I am going to explain all the students. Hello students. So as Chavi has the problem, she want to write a paragraph on comparing our country and other country. So for this, I am going to teach a new chapter to all of you, that is of class 4th, chapter 24, home and abroad. So let us all go to Malu's house. Today there was a lot of activity at Malu's house. Chittapam and his family were coming home after 5 years. 5 years ago, Chittapan had got a job in capital city of United Arab Emirates, that is UAE, called Abu Dhabi. Since then he had lived there. Malu and her appa went to airport to receive them. After the plane landed, the passenger had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Chittappan, Kunjamma and their 2 children could be seen coming out. Father's younger brother in Malayalam called Chittappan and his wife called Kunjamma. Appa said to Shashi and Shanta how big they have grown. Soon the many suitcases and bags were fitted into the taxi. Everyone was on the way to Malu's house. Shanta, you must be very tired after long journey. Appa told me that Abu Dhabi is far from India. She replied, we are not tired. Even though it is far, our flight took only 2 hours. The plane flies very fast. Malu was surprised. She remembered that when she had gone to a school trip to Chennai, they had spent at most 12 hours in the train, and on the map, Kochi and Chennai seemed quite near. Malu remembered how much fun she had on her school trips. She wanted Shanta to tell them all about her trip from Abu Dhabi. Malu asked, did you see many interesting things from the plane? She replied, most of the time we saw only clouds because the plane was flying so high, even higher than the clouds. But before it went so high, we could see that we are flying over sandy areas. It was sand, but the color of the sand kept changing: white, brown, yellow, red, black. We saw mountains made of sand. They are called sand dunes. Chittapan told that the countries around Abu Dhabi are located in desert area. Even if one drives a little away from city, one can see miles and miles of sand. No trees, no greenery, just sand. I used to dream of thick greeny and cool water around our home in Kerala. I am so happy to see all this after such a long time. The children have almost forgotten how to feel when it rains. You know, it almost never rains in desert area. Water is really very precious over there. No rain, no rivers, no lakes, no ponds. Even below the ground there is no water. But there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So petrol is easily available in these countries. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water. By this time, the taxi had reached Malu's house. Shanta and Shashi were surprised to see so many fruit trees. Coconut, bananas, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut, so many kind of trees. Shashi said, we used to see only one kind of tree there, the date palms, because it is the only that can grow in desert. In the evening, everyone sat in the veranda, enjoying the breeze and looking at the photographs. They saw that in Abu Dhabi, the buildings were tall, with many stories and big glass windows. Malu said, you must be getting nice cool breeze through the big windows. She replied, we cannot open windows because of heat. It is air conditioned inside where everyone stays. As the weather is very hot, people wear loosened cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even the head is covered. This protects them from the strong sun. This is all for the first part. We will meet again with the second part. Thank you, students, and keep watching.